In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add organization roles. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Roles. To your left, you should see a list of the roles you already have. To add a new role, click Add in the upper right-hand corner. Now you need to give your role a name. I'm just going to call this Test Role and decide what type of role it is. If I click the arrow next to Type, I can choose an enterprise level role or a location role. I'm going to choose Enterprise. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this role, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that test role has been created. To fill out that role's privileges, click on Test Role. Now I can see what people who are assigned to this role will be able to do. If I scroll down, the first column is showing me the type of role assignments I'm viewing. Right now I'm viewing all. The second group of columns is letting me know what the section is, what the feature is, and whether or not it has been enabled. I can choose if I want to select all by clicking this All button, and that will click everything for me. I can also choose Clear, and that will clear everything for me. My other option is to go through and individually select things that I want to allow these role users to have. Let's say I want to go through and select certain features for this role. I can click on a category such as Employees. Then all of the employee options will come up. So do you want to allow the user of this role to view employees? If so, check that box. Do you want them to be able to add employees? Then check that box. What about editing employee information? I'll say yes. And deleting employees? Inactive employees are employees who have been terminated. Do I want to allow this person to deal with that? Maybe I'll say yes. Do I want this person to be able to change employees' passwords for them? I'll say yes. That can be useful if your employee forgets their password. Should the role user be able to assign employees to folders? I'll say yes. And what about deploying employees to locations? I'll say yes. If I'm going to deploy them to locations, I probably also want to be able to assign them to stations, so I'm going to check the next box. I will also let them assign employees an agreement, and to mass assign employee agreements. Then scroll down. Do you want to allow this role user to view employee leave? I'll say yes. And I'll also give them permission to edit that leave and to view credentials. Next, I want to decide what this user can do with reports. So I'll click on Reports and scroll back up. If I check the first View All box, now anyone with access to reports can view all of my reports. If I want, I can also allow these people to edit my reports. To do that, I will click the second box. Now everyone can view and edit my reports. If I want to choose which reports people can view and edit, I need to uncheck these two boxes and select the final option selected. Now other managers and users can only view the reports I choose to share with them. I'm going to leave this one off and select the other two. Let's say I want to give users assigned to this role all of the admin privileges. To do that, I will click on Admin and then choose Select All. Notice next to Admin there is now a green All. That's letting you know you have all of those boxes checked. Next to Reports is a gray box with 2/3. That's letting you know you have only selected 2 of the available 3 options under Reports. At the top next to All, you can see that there are 115 options, and I have selected 36. That's the same thing that is at the very top of the column. 36 out of 115 have been selected. At the top of the second group of columns, it says Admin 20 out of 20. That's letting me know that I have selected all of the options in this Admin column that I have selected. If you're happy with your selections, click Save. A green save bar will appear next to the Save button, letting you know when you last saved this page. That's how you can add roles in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to assign and remove users from your roles.